Over time, you might notice how the USB-C port on your iPhone starts disconnecting a lot on its own, and the cable connection feels loose. Cables might fall out, or even if they stay plugged in, your iPhone occasionally loses connection and stops charging. 90% of the time, this is because there's a buildup of dust and lint in your USB-C port, preventing the cable from attaching properly. I usually need to clean my port maybe once a year or every couple of years, but if you keep your phone in your pockets a lot, you might need this more frequently. A few important callouts. The USB-C port can be fragile on the inside, so be very, very careful when cleaning the port. No excessive force is needed. All you need to do is to gently scoop up all the dust and wipe around the port with something that's small enough to fit in there. Make sure to use a non-metallic tool. I like toothpicks, but a plastic pick or anything similar would also work. Avoid paper clips, needles, or metal pins. Anything conductive could short the pins and cause damage to your phone. You also don't want to scratch the contacts. The lint that's preventing your cables from connecting usually gets compressed at the very back of the port. Your port gets dusty, you plug in a cable compressing everything to the bottom, and this gets repeated over and over. When cleaning, expect the dust to come out in layers, and a lot of times there's going to be more than you'd expect. When you think you're done, keep going for a little more. There's a good chance you have another layer or two compressed on the bottom of your port. USB-C ports have a center tongue with contacts. Try not to push or apply pressure to that. Work around the edges, gently scooping up dust. If your toothpick starts to crack like mine did, dump it and grab another one. Slow and careful beats aggressive cleaning. Turning off the phone is always a good idea, but it's not mandatory. It does reduce the risk of shorting your port, so if you want to play it safe, power off your phone before doing this. Once you're done, try the cable again, and you should feel a nice snap when the cable connects. With a clean connection, the cable also doesn't fall out easily, and you need to pull it firmly to disconnect it. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to get more guides like this straight into your YouTube feed.